Demonstration on the 3D bath bomb mold from the Maker Shop. This is the 3-inch Shamrock. This one does not have a stem. It consists of a bottom plate, an outer shell, and a top plunger. It does have a design on both the plate and the plunger. So we're going to start by taking our outer shell and placing that on top of the bottom plate. Start to fill just a little bit. Give it a shake, and we're going to gently push with our finger just so that we ensure that those details come out on the finished product. Gently. We don't have to pack this tight. Then just continue filling as normal, shaking in between to make sure that all of our bath bomb mixture gets into the cracks and crevices. Take your plunger with the design and turn it upside down, and we're going to place this on top of our mold. And we're going to start giving it some pushes. Push and turn, push and turn, and that ensures an even packing all the way around your mold. Take your spoon and give some taps around the outside shell. Some taps on the top plunger. Turn it over, and some taps on the bottom plate. Now we're going to lift straight up, and we're going to go slow because we don't want to destroy those details. Fingers underneath and thumbs on the top, and we're going to be pushing up with our fingers. You may have to take your hands and move them around as you're pushing up. Just take your time. Okay, grab a piece of cardboard and place it on top, and we're going to turn the whole thing over. Gently, we're going to lift straight up. Go slow so we ensure that those details come out. If you do get a couple little oopsies here or there, just gently tap them back down into place with your finger. And here we have a beautiful 3D bath bomb mold from the Maker Shop. This is the Clover, the Shamrock. I'm going to leave a link down below to the Maker Shop's website as well as their Etsy shop so that you can purchase this and any other mold that you choose from them. Thanks for watching.